If you need to resize a layer in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to scale a layer up or down without ruining the image quality or distorting your design. This is a super useful skill, whether you're editing photos, making thumbnails, creating social media graphics, or just learning the basics of Photoshop. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photoshop and look over to the Layers panel. Find the layer you want to resize and click on it so it becomes active. This is important because Photoshop will only transform the layer you have selected. Now, to start resizing, press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. This opens Free Transform, and you'll immediately see a bounding box appear around your layer with small square handles on the corners and edges. That box is what lets you scale the layer. At this point, you can move your cursor over one of the corner handles. When you click and drag a corner inward, the layer will shrink. If you drag a corner outward, the layer will get bigger. The great part is that Photoshop keeps the proportions locked automatically, so your image stays balanced and won't stretch or look warped while you resize it. If you want to make the layer smaller, drag gently inward until it looks right. If you want it larger, drag outward until it fits your composition. Take your time here because small changes can make a big difference in the overall design. You can also reposition the layer while Free Transform is active. Just click inside the bounding box and drag the layer into the exact spot you want. That makes it easy to resize and align everything in one step. When you're happy with the size, you need to commit the change. To do that, press Enter on Windows or Mac or click the check mark in the top options bar. That locks the resize in place and applies the transformation to your layer. And if you ever change your mind before confirming, just press ESC to cancel without saving the resize. That's a handy way to back out if the layer doesn't look quite right. So just to recap, select your layer, press Ctrl+T or Command+T, drag a corner handle to resize, and press Enter or click the check mark to apply it. That's the fastest way to resize a layer in Photoshop. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.